Alright, hey YouTube. Well, I got my iPhone here. Shattered on the back, but nothing major on the screen, just a little chip right there. But it was disabled, but now it's not. Let's do this off. I got mail, kick. So what's on kick? Oh, kick team. Just a welcome thing. My messages. Not on Facebook. Got Pandora. Just got it reset. On my case. It's a hard case. I'm probably gonna get the camo water box or something. It's the iPhone 4. I'd like to find a new back for it, but I can live with it as long as it works on the front. So yeah.